Vetchain is a blockchain as a service stage that intends to make a solid dispersed business environment that guarantees smooth data stream, productive joint effort, and high-velocity esteem move. A few businesses, including extravagance products, farming, strategies, food prescriptions, and states, are now utilizing Vechain blockchain innovation. The stage is pointed toward collaborating with all areas of the market, like B2B, business to business, B2C, business to buyer. Manufacturers will actually want to follow deals directs continuously, denoting every item with an exceptional numeric identifier. Consumers will actually want to check the quality and credibility of the item and acquire all the data about it by filtering the numeric identifier utilizing the versatile application. The history of Vechain traces all the way back to 2015, when a group of experts drove by Sunny Lu sent off a model of the Vechain stage on the Ethereum blockchain. In the late spring of 2016, Vechain designers introduced the principal rendition, and in early fall of that very year, a portable application for iOS was distributed. In mid-August 2017, VEN tokens were sold through ICO. The cost of one VEN token was 8 cents, and the ideal hard cap of 200,000 ETH was accomplished. A few months after ICO's culmination, the Vetchain Foundation was laid out, and a leading group of counselors was laid out. Toward the finish of June 2018, the organization moved to its own blockchain. The organization was renamed Vechain Thor, and the token was named VET. Vetchain coin fundamental value. The Vetchain biological system comprises of 3 levels: blockchain, network, tokens and wallet. Until June 2018, Vetchain digital currency existed as an undertaking on Ethereum blockchain, and its usefulness was extremely restricted. In any case, the transition to its own foundation opened up new open doors. Vetchain's digital money has own particular highlights recognize it from other blockchains. Some scrutinize the Vechain Thor blockchain in light of the fact that it isn't completely decentralized and has centralization includes that keep it from being viewed as a genuine crypto project. In any case, the makers make sense of this by the idiosyncrasies of the venture and the need to guarantee network security. Furthermore, the requirement for built-in governance device is cleared up by the utilization of an extraordinary calculation for accomplish agreement inside the organization, proof of authority, POA. In the Vechain Thor organization, the POA calculation isn't utilized to affirm the presence of coins on the client's wallet, just like with most blockchain coins, yet to check the item. Ordinarily, the validators are a little gathering of hubs, up to 25. By and large, the hub administrators are delegates of the organization that involves Vechain Thor for its business. Vetchain Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Vetchain costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Vetchain will be $0.036. The greatest level that the Vet cost can reach is $0.041. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.037. August 2022, Vetchain price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Vet cost will be exchanged at $0.033 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Vetchain worth to $0.035. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.032 in August 2022. Vet price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Vetchain costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022, $0.034. The most minimal and top Vet rates may be $0.033 and $0.037. October 2022, Vetchain price forecast. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Vet cost will be around $0.035. In October 2022, the Vetchain cost might drop to at least $0.034. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.038 in October 2022. Vet price forecast for November 2022. Having examined Vechain costs, digital money specialists expect that the VET rate could arrive at a limit of $0.040 in November 2022. It may, be that as it may, drop to $0.035. For November 2022, the anticipated normal of Vetchain is almost $0.036. December 2022, Vetchain price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Vetchain cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.037. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the VET cost could vary somewhere in the range of $0.036 and $0.041. Vetchain price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Vetchain in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Vetchain will be around $0.051. The most extreme expected VET cost might be around $0.063. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0.053 in 2023. Vetchain price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Vetchain, in 2024, VET is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $0.070 and $0.088, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.073. Vetchain price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Vetchain and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base VET cost could drop to 10 cents, while its most extreme can reach 12 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 10 cents. Vetchain price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Vetchain by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least VET costs are normal in 2026. 18 cents and 15 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 15 cents. Vetchain price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Vetchain. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical VET cost will be around 22 cents. It could drop to at least 21 cents, however it actually could reach 25 cents all through 2027. Vetchain price prediction 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Vetchain. It is assessed that VET will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 32 cents and 37 cents in 2028.